In this video session, we will see placing foundations symmetrically in the drawing. Many buildings have a symmetric design. Either they are symmetric about the x-axis, y-axis or both. InstaCrete provides the facility to place foundations, columns, beams and walls symmetrically. Let us consider two situations in the drawing area, a situation where grid placing is symmetric and the other situation where they are asymmetric. The situation in which grids are asymmetric, InstaCrete places the building components symmetrically by drawing an invisible line. Let us open the Foundation Manager. Select X symmetry. The user has to select this symmetry before clicking in the table. Once you select a foundation size, the X or Y symmetry is not available. Select X symmetry. Select foundation sizes for the grid points A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and A6 and click OK button. Observe the foundations in the drawing area. You can see the symmetric placement of the foundations. Along with A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and A6, foundations are there on F1, F2, F3, F4, F5 and F6 grid points. Now, let us open the dialog box and select Y symmetry. Select foundation sizes for the grid points B1, B2 and B3. Hit OK to close the box. You can see the foundations on B4, B5 and B6 along with B1, B2 and B3 grid points.